OORT's AI image dataset just reached Kaggle's front page in multiple categories and caught the attention of Cointelegraph, a renowned media channel that covers everything crypto, AI, and blockchain. Let's break it down. Kaggle is an online community for data scientists and machine learning engineers, where users can find and publish datasets, collaborate with others, and participate in competitions to tackle data science challenges. Released in April, OORT's dataset quickly ranked top in multiple Kaggle categories: manufacturing, engineering, and AI category. This is a significant achievement. A front-page Kaggle ranking is a strong social signal, engaging the right communities of data scientists and ML engineers, said Ramkumar Subramaniam, core contributor at OpenLedger. OORT CEO, Dr. Maxley, sees this as proof of early demand. He said decentralized, community-driven data pipelines like OORT's can scale fast, without centralized intermediaries. OORT plans more datasets, including in-car command, smart homes, deepfake detection, and more. Experts warn, AI data is running low. Some artists are now poisoning training sets to protect their work. That's where OORT's value shines, with verifiable, community-sourced, and incentivized data. Lex Sokolin adds, crypto projects can use decentralized incentives to organize economically valuable activity. OORT continues to solidify its role in reshaping the future of AI through its data contributions.